good, YouTube? I'm back. Another POV. This time we got some rain. Got it in sport, but that's only to keep the valves open so I can hear it. But other than that, shit, traction is on for sure. Shit, even when I do got some new tires on the back, I'm still keeping traction on. Not that I can't control it, but shit, it's common sense, bro. Who wants to slide all over the road? Shit, what the word I'm trying to think of? Not unintentionally. That's the word I'm trying to think about. I was supposed, but yeah, on purpose, yeah, when I want to, but not unintentionally. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rain though. I'm gonna less talking, more driving. Buddy ass almost got hit. Oh man. say? Let me get in this fucking lane. I'll take it back. He not a bitch. He not a bitch. Got the Mopar crew out here, boy. Oh yeah, I done had the cameras on, but it was like a fake Hellcat and then a real Hellcat, all on the same highway, man. I wish I took a picture of it, bro. That shit was crazy. I don't know what Ethan was doing. Don't even think about it, dude. Get your ass back, bro. Damn. Why do people with V6s do that shit, bro? Quit doing that. Quit doing that, man. Shit is annoying. Making sure y'all still on too, by the way. Shit. Let's see. Got a little straight right here. I still had a manual mode. I was like, why am I stuck in one gear? Alrighty. Over there, some cool little houses. Nigga got a fake hood on that mug. Wow. Fake hood school. Hey man, people be putting anything on their cars, bro, honestly. Shit, if it didn't come with one, don't put it on there. Hey, that's just me though. Them niggas gonna be mad about that. Hey, it's my car, I can do what I want to do. I don't care. I don't care. Oh, we got Mr. Officer over there. Mr. Officer. I just realized, what is this dude doing up here? Guess he's still driving slow because of the officer. The officer. But I'm gonna turn y'all off in a hot minute because you know I'm gonna save some battery for some actual good content and shit, because I'm probably gonna pop out again later tonight. But you know, ain't nothing really going on right now, so it ain't no point of me wasting my battery on this. Oh my gosh, I knew it was somebody in my blind spot. That's lame as hell, honestly, bro. Honestly, that's really lame as hell. I hate when people do that shit. They stick in your blind spot all this time, bro. That shit is so fucking lame. Fucking Honda Pilot, bro. Damn. People just sit in your blind spot for no... Oh, let me just stop it. Let me just stop it. I can go on and on about that shit, bro. That shit is annoying, man. Shit, I'm trying to get over, bro. And I don't know what the fuck they doing in this K5, bro. They bullshitting. You know what they say? That's the nurse car right there, bro. That's for the nurses. That car right there. The dirt scar. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we almost to the highway. Alright, you know how we gonna do it? We gonna end this bitch out with a pool, baby. That's how we gonna do this shit. I'm gonna check my my GoPro footage. I mean, not my footage, but shit, my battery after this. Because bro, hopefully it is not about to die. I think I got my charge. Yeah, I got my charger over there. If it does die though. I'm trying to save it, dude. I'm trying to save it. Ooh, I'm trying to save it, dog. Got a little Challenger back there too. You probably crack it a little bit so y'all can hear some more when we get on the highway. Alright. It's 205. Dude, might well slow it down, bro. You're not about to beat me on the merge, buddy. Not about to beat me on the merge. Not about to beat me on the merge. That's how you merge, baby. Alright, YouTube. I'm in y'all out right here. You know we're gonna end off on a good note. I'm out, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.